I spent the last 3 days in Georgetown trying to check every single box I possibly could. And yet, day one started with a single goal: extract maximum value from the next 72 hours. First stop, the street art. Next, a sweep through Little India. Inhaled a bowl of Laksa for lunch that rewired my brain. Sweated my way through the colonial architecture. And wrapped it all up with Korean barbecue. Day 2, the intention was exactly the same: execute the checklist, leave no stone unturned. But Georgetown's suffocating midday heat did not care about my plan. Around noon, I sat down for a scheduled snack, and things started to go sideways. It wasn't just tired feet, it was a complete system shutdown. Any rational human being would have gone back to the room and rested. But falling behind schedule felt like failing, so I forced myself to continue. That was the fatal mistake. Pushing through didn't fix the crash, it weaponized the exhaustion. I finally tapped out, retreated back to my hostel, and told myself I just needed a quick nap to rest. That nap took the rest of the afternoon, and then the entire night. When I finally woke up, half of the day 3 was gone. My itinerary was dead, but instead of panic, I just felt empty. I left my phone in my pocket and walked toward the last spot on my list, the Clan Jetties. And as I sat there watching the sunset, the irony hit me. I didn't ruin this trip because I failed to finish my list. I ruined it because I treated exploration just like another task at my job. Then I decided, from now on, the checklist goes in the trash. It's time to see what happens when I finally let go and just wander.